What up everybody, it's your girl Minimoss with another video planned for you guys this week. This time featuring another one of the Huda Beauty Obsession palettes, and this one would be the Electric Obsessions. I'm actually so excited for this video because I myself have been wanting to dive in to a lot of these colours. So without further ado, you guys would have seen what I did in the previous clip, so we'll just jump straight into the eye makeup. Just beginning with primer, I'm going to grab the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. Just applying that to my lids using my fingers. When that is done, I'm just going to jump in with the Electric Obsessions palette, going in with this blue here, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I feel like this looks insane. I'm just gonna go in with a clean fluffy blending brush and just gonna go over the edges just to blend that out. Again, going in with that same fluffy blending brush from before, I'm gonna go in with this dark bluish green here. And I'm just going to apply that into the very crease of my eyes just to deepen it up a bit. Then after that, just going in with the Urban Decay flat application brush and the Napoleon Purtis Pro Powder Eyeliner Sealer. I'm just going to saturate the bigger side and then jump in with this shade here in the Huda Beauty palette. And then I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. Then just going in with eyelashes. First, just creating my lashes in mascara with these 3 mascaras. So I'm just going to go in with the CoverGirl Bombshell by Lash Blast Mascara, which is the step 1 and 2 mascara. Then the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara, and then the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Waterproof Mascara. Once I'm finished applying my mascara, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty lashes in Jade. Once that's done, I'm going to jump away real quick and I'll put on my foundation and eyebrows, and I'll come back for my contour blush and highlight and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. I'm back, and as you can see, everything is now on. So once that is done, I'm just going to jump in with contouring. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chiseled to Perfection palette, and just grabbing a fluffy like brush kind of thing. I'm going to jump in with the dark cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply that just to my cheeks. Then just jumping in with the brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to go in with the medium cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to use that to contour my cheeks, my nose, and my jawline as well. Then just for blush, I'm just going to go in with the Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go in with a mixture of these two colors here and here with a angled contouring brush. Then just going in with highlighter, I'm just going to grab the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice edition highlighting palette, and just going in with a small fan brush. I'm just going to go in with Arctic Glow, and I'm just going to apply that in all of the normal highlighting places, such as my cheekbones, my nose, cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and just above my eyebrows.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Again, just jumping in with the Huda Beauty Electric Palette, just grabbing that same flat application brush from before. I'm just going to go in with that last shade that we grabbed for the crease, actually, for this one. And I'm just going to apply that really closely just to the lash line to smoke it out a little bit. Then finally going in with lipstick, I'm actually just going to go in with lip balm, just because my lips have been really bad lately. They've been quite like, not the lips themselves, but like underneath, so I'm just trying to look after them. So I'm just going to go in with the Baby Lips, but this is the color edition, this is the red one. And I'm just going to apply that over the top of my foundation lips, because it's going to go to a nice like pink. And here you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below and to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I upload weekly. I love you all so much, and this is Minimoss 16 out. Bye guys.